tree frogs can be identified by several distinguishing features, including 1. Toe pads. Tree frogs have large, sticky toe pads that allow them to climb trees and other vertical surfaces. 2. Slender body. Tree frogs have a slender body shape that is adapted for climbing and jumping. They typically have long, slender legs and a streamlined body that allows them to move quickly and easily through their environment. 3. Brightly colored skin. Many species of tree frogs have brightly colored skin that is used for camouflage or to warn predators of their toxicity. Some species also have patterns or markings on their skin that help them blend in with their surroundings. 4. Large eyes. Tree frogs have large, round eyes that are adapted for low light conditions. Their eyes are positioned on the top of their head, which allows them to see in all directions while they are perched in a tree. 5. Vocalizations. Many species of tree frogs are known for the distinctive vocalizations, which they use to communicate with other frogs and to attract mates. These vocalizations can range from simple chirps to complex songs, depending on the species.